There are times where you need to add a picture to your document, and I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. This document's already got a couple of pictures in it. I'm just going to add another one. So I'll come up to my insert ribbon and click the drop down next to picture. This allows me to go to my photo browser or to my picture from file. I'm going to picture from file. Photo browser is the pictures that you've imported to your Mac from your camera, phone or whatever other device. I'm going to choose one of my pictures. There's a very nice waterfall-y one here, and I'm going to click insert. It's actually a fountain, not a waterfall, and it's added that to my document. You'll notice that it's got these little squares around it and a rotate button up at the top. I can't move this one around because my document is set to add photos in line, which means they are fixed in place. To change that so that I can move it, I'll go to wrap text and I'll choose in front of text. Now my document has moved somewhat. Now I can grab it and move it around and pop it wherever I want. Under wrap text, I could imagine, say, top and bottom, which means that the text will move in relation to the image.